Here's how to save a unit in tabs. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your tabs game and then afterwards redirect yourself to the gameplay options. After redirecting to yourself to the gameplay options, you can now go ahead and click on the allow mod access. After clicking on the allow mod access, this will appear on your screen. What you need to do is to click on the browse option. After clicking on the browse options, you will be able to see there all the units that you have. Now go ahead and select a unit that you want to save on your end. Once you have already selected a unit, this will show on your end. So make sure that you really like the unit that you're going to download or be saved to your device. Now go ahead and flick the right side and you will be able to see there the save button. Click on that so that automatically the unit that you chose will be saved to your entire game.